Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download your Amazon data. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And now, without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon's website. Once you're in the website, make sure you're logged into your account. And now, simply click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now to see all the settings, scroll all the way down until you see all accounts. Click on it. Now scroll all the way down until you see manage your data. And under manage your data, you can see request your data. Click on it. Now you can select the data category which you want to download. So you can download your orders, your addresses, payment options, etc. And if you scroll all the way down, you can see request all your data. Here, all of your data will be downloaded if we select this option. So I'm going to select this option. And now click on submit request. Now Amazon will send us a confirmation link to our email, which we need to click in order to verify our request. So simply go to your email, and your email you'll be able to see confirm data request button. Click on it. After that, you'll be redirected to your Amazon account, and after that Amazon will let you know that they have received your request and are processing your request to access your personal data, and they will provide you your information as soon as they can. And that's it. That's how you can request data on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.